Hi everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with a new our guest, and you always get here regarding English related videos, and I always try to do make such type of videos. I hope this video would be helpful to you, and if you want to talk to with me, and then Skype, my Skype link has been given in my description box. You go and check the description, and if you want to talk to with me, then call me or text me. Then definitely I will talk to with you. Okay, guys. Let's start our today's session. Hi.
Hi, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. What about you?
I'm good
Okay. And first of all, how do you know me?
because my friend suggested me to contact with you.
Okay, your friend. Okay,
Yeah,
that's means your friend recommended it. Sorry,
yeah,
recommended you.
yeah. My
Okay,
friend recommended too.
okay, thank. And could you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is TSB Saikumar. I'm from Puttur, Andhra Pradesh. I did my BTech diploma and BTech in mechanical engineering stream. After completing my BTech, I worked as a core sector in TVS and Murugappa groups. Some other domains I worked in previous company. Present now, I am aspiring full stack with one stack in. I am shifting in IT sector. That's why.
Okay, that's great. And and do you have any question? Without hesitation, you can ask me. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What about yourself?
Yeah. Thanks for asking me about myself. Mm, this is Tipu Thakur, as you know. Yes.
Yeah,
Uh, I'm from Jharkhand, which falls in Godda district. Right now, my study is going on. I am pursuing graduation uh, with English honors from Godda College, Godda. Yes.
yeah.
And
Nice to hear.
yes,
Yeah.
nice. And and
Are you pursuing in a, I think English stream itself?
yes, yes, my main
Yeah.
paper is English. Yes.
Okay, okay.
And could you please tell me your family background?
Yeah, we are four members in the nuclear family: father, mother, and elder sister. And the elder sister, she got married. Father has working has some private sector, and mother is a homemaker.
And what does your father do?
Yeah, private sector in working has some supervising.
Okay. And how long have you been learning English? And why do you want to learn English?
Because of I am shifting in IT sectors, that's why I need to improve my communication skills. I want to better than fluency also to improve my fluency purpose also. Because of in IT sector, lots of clients will be there in different countries and uh, different country peoples will be even though abroad peoples also collaborate with us because of in IT sector. So most of us telephonic and some other purpose they communicating purpose we need to improve ourselves because that's why I want to improve my English fluency and communication purpose. I'm for now present now I think 2 months 2.5 months I am prepared. I am practicing in English conversations.
Yes, yes. Actually, I have been learning English since childhood. Yes,
Yeah,
but
I am also since childhood in English medium itself I studied, but in the environment and eco-friendly, there will be not the chance to speak with us with others because of our environment is been too poor to English speaking. Only studying purpose, reading purpose, we are seen in previous days, and present now we want to upskill our English fluency. Means it has been whenever we went to outside, means different peoples will collaborate with us, and different countries will be people will be collaborate us. This is the English is the one of the mandatory one. We have to improve ourselves.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's great. You are speaking very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice effort, and keep uh, keep uh, mm, keep doing such type of effort. Yes, and I hope you will be definitely achieve your goal and in your particular field, and definitely you will become in your future a good speaker.
Yeah, because thank you for giving me feedback. Because of has your feedback helps me more confidence to improve ourselves.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how much time do you spend on your skill right now?
No, I am spending in I think half an hour and 1 hour I am spending English conversations because of in my daily schedule there will be lots of works will be there. That's why I committed to half an hour or 1 hour I am spending with English conversations, practice sessions. Some other classes I attending because of has Montus is well known. I am whenever I get a free time means I am joined in a Skype group also.
And did you join
Download
any
content.
offline classes on online classes?
No, I didn't never joined offline classes. Present now I am joined in Arpita ma'am class.
Okay, Arpita ma'am. Actually,
Yeah,
today I watched the Arpita ma'am class.
yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
1 minute.
Okay. And
Yeah, so nice.
how is the weather condition in your area?
Present now there will be a little bit raining.
Rainy?
Yeah,
Yeah. Yes. Same condition is here.
yeah, because of it's a rainy season. So that's why yesterday also light bit sunny, and the present now there will be little bit rainy in our area.
It's okay. And do you like uh, traveling?
Yeah, I like the traveling for because of I loved nature and everything I because of uh, weather conditions and natural conditions. Different types of peoples will be there in tourism places. So some other places, I I definitely recommended for the traveling purpose because of there will be lots of knowledge and technology will be getting for us also.
Yes. And did
Yeah.
you visit any famous place? Please tell me.
Yeah, I'm visited. I in our state. I think in our state. In I think in our district itself. I didn't move some other places because of. So I went to some Tirupati. Do you know Tirupati, Tirumala, and Balaji temple will be there.
Balaji
And
Temple.
yeah.
I know Balaji Temple, but
Yeah,
I never visited.
yeah, because of a few days before also there will be a Brahmotsavam. There will be granted to celebrate it because of the in Dasara festival they are making Brahmotsavam. The different kind of people will be there and different dancers. Some other different state drums will be playing there, so, and different wonderful there will be wonderful situation will be there in the
Yes, yes,
promotion itself. We are
yeah,
we are seeing purpose.
yes. And I went to in my 10th class Vikram Shila.
Yeah.
Do you know Vikramshila?
Can you repeat? Could you repeat?
Vikramshila.
Yeah, I didn't visit it until now.
Do you know? No, no. Do you know name of Vikramshila?
Vikramshila.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't. Ever ever heard the word.
Okay, okay.
Where it should be located?
Mm, it's located in BR.
Bihar. Yeah,
Yes.
I want to explore more states also because of I didn't never ever visited the different kind of places because of financial purpose and some other. I get a good product company means I want to explore my more and more.
Okay, okay. And could you please tell me what is the role of technology in our life?
Yeah, goal of technology life.
Yes. What is
Yeah,
the role in our day-to-day life?
role.
Role. Yes.
Yeah, in everyone's there will be present now 21st 20 present now 22nd 21st century there will be lots of technology will be improving day by day, different kind of IoTs, artificial intelligence, machine learning. There will be lots of tremendous technology will be present now, the marketing and some other industry also they will be launching different kind of robotics also. There will be lots of increasing day by day. We need in previous days there will be lots of hard workers will be there. Present now there will be I think one or two workers will be there. Whole works will be finishing nowadays because of the artificial intelligence, machine learning. There will be lots of programs, algorithms. There will be they are creating different kind of things. That's why present now the role of technology will be increasing day by day. We present now before there we are using and some other keypad phones. Present now we are using some other uh, Android phones, iPhones, and different kind of phones, touch phones, and different technology will be improving day by day. Different types of application will be launching day by day because of as previously there will be lots of application will be not there. Present now 21st century there will be Swiggy, Zomato, some other delivery also. It is easy to buy in our home also. We easy to get a product also. It's a it's a I think not gonna be wasting time. It is easy to buy any product in within a home itself.
That's
Yeah,
great.
everything it will everything it
Yeah, I said a nice explanation in your side. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Actually, in every
Think
field,
as you know as yeah as
yeah,
you yeah, yeah, 1 minute I want to add one thing. In e-learning itself, lots of application will be there. Byju's, some other platforms will be there. We don't want to go outside abroad, so some other countries. So when present now we there will be lots of applications, lots of the Byju's, Scalar, Internshala, some other application e-learning platforms. There will be lots of contents will be there and different kind of things we have to learn. We want to upskill it. It is easy to acknowledge ourselves to improve the knowledge.
okay, that's great. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, in every field, technology is increasing. Yes,
Yeah, absolutely.
like in agriculture field, education field. Yes, in every field, technology are increasing day by day, and
Yeah,
it is yes, and it is a great opportunity for our country. Yes,
yeah,
and with the help of technology, um, with the help of technology, you can say live proof. You are in a, where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Actually, you are from Andhra Pradesh. I am from Jharkhand. But right
Okay, okay.
now,
Present
I
now
am
we
able.
are communicating with Skype
I,
itself. We are
am
yeah,
able to
both
talk
are
to with
discussed.
you.
Yeah,
I am able to talk to with you with the help of technology.
yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, previous days there will be lots of transaction. We went to go banks and some other sectors. We spend in queue. Some other areas we spend. But present now there will be lots of Google Pay, Phone Pay, different kind of application will be there. We are in our home itself. We are sending and receiving money very easily, very quickly.
Yes.
15
Yes.
seconds they are the transaction has been delivered.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And uh, did you take your lunch or breakfast?
Yeah, till now I didn't take my breakfast because of some other works will be there. That's why I didn't take the dinner, tiffin also because of I after the session I eat the dinner.
I will. After the session, you will take your lunch.
Yeah, no, yeah, I want to take the lunch.
Okay, that's great. And right now you are staying at your home.
Yeah, absolutely. I am present now. I am staying at home.
Okay. Um, your mom makes your food.
Yeah, she makes food. Uh, she makes every time she makes food. And when we she went to outside means I am preparing the food itself.
Okay. And do you have any question? Ask me.
Yeah. Yeah. How long you are spending the English practice sessions? How long have been present now?
And that means how long I have been making conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have been making conversation uh, for 2 months.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, I have been learning since childhood, but I never started our speaking.
Yeah, because
Yes,
of our environment.
yes. I had no any environment. And I had no any partner to speaking. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but gradually I have created our environment. Yes,
Yeah.
on WhatsApp, on YouTube. Yes, on Skype app. Every I on every platform. I am creating English environment. Yeah,
Yeah.
for our improving communication skill. Yeah,
Yeah.
without creating English environment, we cannot speak English. Yeah, actually, it is not a subject; it is a language. Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely. It is not a subject, it's a language.
that's why we need to create our English environment. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's great, and that's all for today.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Definitely.
Okay, okay.
And nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Nice
I'm also pleasure to nice to meet you because of uh, my fluency and conversation my fluency and communication purpose. I am also improving day by day because of I want to get a chance to meet another time also.
Okay. Okay. That's great. We will meet. We will meet definitely. Okay. With new topic and with new conversation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, that's great. Till now,